5 top habits that will 10x your business. If you want to start your business from scratch or take it to the next level, mastering these 5 habits is fundamental to getting the success you aspire to. And the last habit represents what separates winners from losers, not only in business. My name is Max Cecco, and I teach aspiring entrepreneurs and professionals how to turn their knowledge and or someone else's expertise even into a 7-figure business. Habit number 1, learn daily. If you want to take your business to the next level, or if you are just starting from scratch, learning must be your priority. Indeed, I firmly believe that a business grows only if the entrepreneur grows as well. Let me share with you this concept that allows me to get a completely different vision regarding my goals and accomplishments. If your colleagues or competitors are getting incredible results in their business, it is because they know something you are unaware of. Or they know different strategies to market their products or services, or simply their way of thinking about their business is entirely different from yours. What I want you to know is that creating $1 million business sometimes has nothing to do with what you sell, but how you market what you sell. Marketing comes before any product or service. I have been selling online courses and services since 2008. I have experienced the evolution of this business, and I can assure you this. Some professionals and small business owners are not so successful because they avoid updating their skills or strategies. They stop learning, improving, and evolving. Once again, it is not about what you sell, but how you sell what you sell. If you don't learn daily, your business will suffer, and you will be overcome by your competition. Period. Habit number 2, invest your money. Want to move your business to the next level? You have to invest your money in your growth. It means 2 things. Number 1, invest in yourself to upgrade your skills and strategies. And number 2, invest in people to let them help you speed up the process, increase the likelihood of achievement, and reduce stress. Personally, I was very attached to money. I was reluctant to invest thousands of dollars per year in myself, especially at the beginning of my career. This was a huge mistake. Once you understand that money has no value but is a means for a purpose, everything changes. To scale your business, you need people. You can't think of learning everything by yourself. Indeed, this is a loser mindset. So, invest your money in your business, education, and help your collaborators and employees move to the next level. Business is a game of information and execution, and sometimes knowing what to do is more important than the execution. Habit number 3. Be ready for nasty moments. Expect the best and prepare yourself for the worst. Business is not a linear path. Sometimes, regardless of your good intentions, you will not get the desired results. Personally, I failed a lot in my business career, but this is the main reason why I can share tons of experience, and today I know how to help others succeed. Especially in the beginning, I always lived below my means. I'm not saying that I was frugal, but ready to deal with unpleasant moments when things didn't go in the right direction. And believe me, no matter your level of success, it will happen. And it happened to me as well. Indeed, after investing 3 long years in a business, I decided to quit because my partner didn't like the idea of evolving the business model to let the business prosper. And without his figure, I couldn't continue by myself. In business, if you don't upgrade your skills or you don't pay very close attention to what your audience wants, you will not succeed. Your business is like a baby. You have to nurture it constantly and care about it. Habit number 4. Don't aim for perfection. Perfection is the enemy of success. If you wait too long before launching a product or a service, or if you overthink about every situation before making a decision, or if you want to be ready 100% before creating a business, I can assure you 100% you will not succeed. You can't always play safe if you want to grow. At the same time, I'm a great believer that Without preparation, there is no success. And honestly, especially in the first 5 years of my career, I was too obsessed with perfection, and I underestimated my value and myself multiple times. Then I discovered different competitors that were less prepared than me, but their speed of execution was amazing. They became more successful than me because they launched different products or services without aiming for perfection. Good enough is what you need to create, launch or scale your business. Then you will improve during the process. This is the right mindset to succeed. Habit number 5. Self-discipline. Without self-discipline, you have no chance to succeed. You are the boss of yourself, and no one will tell you what to do, how to do that specific task, and even why you have to do it. The accountability is 100% on you. I met different brilliant people in my life with incredible business ideas. Honestly, discipline is a trait that allows you to reach any goal you want, and not only in business, but in life in general. I can attribute my ability to get results in whatever I want because I'm 100% focused and disciplined in what I do, but only if I have a big reason why behind my goals. If your why is not big enough, your self-discipline will not support you. Before deciding to start a business or take your business to the next level, always ask yourself why you want to do it and be ready to pay the price in advance. There will be days when you feel unmotivated to do everything, and this is the moment where self-discipline makes all the difference. When motivation doesn't support you, your self-discipline becomes your best motivator and ally. In this video, I talk about habits that help you scale your business. Now, I recommend watching this next video, especially if you sell online courses or services. 3 secret hacks to scale an information-based business. These 3 hacks increase your likelihood of success in creating a very profitable international business. So, watch this video now.